Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me. I'm planning for the month of June 2018 and I'm using a kit from sunshinestickerco, and it was my first time using her stickers ever, and it was actually very pleasing to me because I had no problems with it. They were removable and no problems with the date dots or anything, so I was really happy about that. I wanted to haul it but I couldn't wait, so you know. And then I grabbed some washi that I thought I was going to use but ended up not using, only used like one of them. And then I used a weekly list paper thingy to pre-plan, and this is from the paper or the panda box of April 2017. And I also wanted to put down the days that the NBA games were going to be, like game 3, 4, 5, blah blah blah, because I didn't want to miss it, so I just wanted to mark it in my calendar, so that's what you see me doing right here. Anyway, the kit came with this June month flag thingy, and I really wanted to use it, but honestly, looking at the top, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna cover that June 2018 and it's going to look nice with white out everywhere, you know? So I just put it on the bottom and I just wanted to make it different, so that's what I did there. And on the 5th, I put that my bill was due for my credit, so that's what I did. And then this is when I was putting down the date dots. So I didn't realize that I actually had some other stuff that I forgot to put down in this plan with me. So there was like 3 dates missing that I had events to go to. So that was a fail. Also, I really wanted to maximize the use of this kit, so I tried to mostly stay with using the things in this kit only and not bring in much of my own sticker stuff, because usually what happens is I end up using a ton of my stuff and then I end up not utilizing everything that the kit has to offer. So I tried my best to use this kit this time around. And lastly, I just wanted to say I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little low or something. It's because it's late right now while I'm doing this voiceover and people are sleeping, so I don't want to be talking too loud. So my schedule this week is every day I plan to post one video. I already failed Monday because I played all day today. I mean, I recorded but I didn't get around to editing until now. So that's a fail again. Anyways, let's get back to the plan with me. This box right here I used to cover up Father's Day, and I'm just putting down a label sticker so I can write in Father's Day here, and I was just having a hard time straightening it out, so there you go. And then I put a heart dot right next to it, and then on the bottom of that I had to remind myself that I had to sing a song for church that day as a special number for Father's Day. Next, I grabbed another box to mark down the 26th. It's going to be me and my boyfriend's 11th anniversary. My name's Anna, his name is Vic, so it really works out as anniversary. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm sorry, it kind of cut off right here. So it was already down, and then I put 2 Bubblemon stickers down and just put the number 11 because I didn't really have room to write, so that's what I did there. And since he has the day off on Monday, we're going to celebrate on Monday instead of Tuesday because he has to work that day. So we'll probably do something little for Tuesday, but we'll actually celebrate on Monday the 25th before our anniversary. And then on the 10th, I wanted to mark down that I had to sing as a backup for my worship team at church. And of course, if worship is on a Sunday, then practice is on a Saturday for our church. Next, I wanted to mark down the game days for Warriors versus Cavs, and so that's what I did. I used all the flags and teardrop stickers, I guess, from the kit just to mark down game 3, game 4, game 5, blah blah blah, just in case the game keeps going. I'm gonna keep it real right here with you guys. I am 100% bandwagoner. Like, I just love watching the games only because I'm from the Bay Area and I don't even watch the normal series or the playoffs or anything like that. I only care when it comes to championships, and if Warriors are in championships, I'm gonna watch it. And yes, I am saying that without any shame or remorse right now. I wanted to incorporate these green glitter washi strips, so I put them down for every Sunday to remind myself that every Sunday I'm going to be posting up Plan With Me's. I originally wanted to do it on Mondays, but I think I'd rather put it on Sundays because Sundays are when people usually relax, or people like me at least, usually relax and just like to watch plan with me. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then on Tuesdays, I wanted to just use the other washi strip and mark down that I have small group on Tuesdays. And I really like these monthly kits from Sunshine Sticker Co. It was my first time ever shopping with her. I got it from the, what's it called, PBC, Planner Boss Collective sale. And I just wanted to try it out, but I actually think I'm going to buy again for monthly kits from her because I don't really have a problem with it. I would say the only problem I have is that it didn't come with date covers for like Sunday through Saturday. So that was the only problem that I had, but honestly that's something that could just be worked around. Now moving on to the sidebar, which is usually always the last thing I work on, whether it's a monthly plan with me or a weekly plan with me or a daily plan with me. Wait, I don't think they have sidebars and daily plan with me. So anyways, I used a this month header and I put down an ombre heart checklist. Oh, and I wanted to mark down that the 4th of June was my friend's birthday, so I wanted to just mark that down, which is today, to remind myself to say happy birthday to her. She's in the PI right now, which is Philippines. But yeah, I always wish her a happy birthday. We're like childhood friends. So happy birthday, Rachel, if you're watching this. And I'm so sorry, my camera cut off on me again and I didn't realize it until later. So I had just put down some more headers and some more ombre heart checklists. And for the don't forget section, I just wanted to put down some highlights of the month to remember. And then I wanted to use my washi because I completely forgot about all my washi. And then I just put some deco stickers on that washi part. And then I'm going back and using the succulent stickers to just add in some deco into my spread. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I forgot to mark down some events, but it doesn't matter. You guys saw my plan with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be coming out probably tomorrow with my weekly plan with me. I'm sorry, a little late. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.